Welcome back. I wanted to share some backyard cooking in my homemade cook stove I made last year. You can use wood or charcoal to cook inside or on top. Today I'm roasting a chicken with bacon and potatoes. I'm using charcoal today because it was a bit too windy for an open fire. Plus charcoal gives you a nice consistent heat throughout. I got some charcoal briquettes going inside, and while the heat dies down a bit, I'll get the chicken ready. I put a whole chicken in this aluminum roasting pan on top of some bacon. The chicken is seasoned with Montreal chicken seasoning and Epicure barbecue chicken seasoning. I cut some potatoes in half and placed them around the chicken and laid some more bacon on top. Now that the heat has died down, I can put in my roasting pan on the grill inside and put the lid on the stove. I'm guessing it'll be about 2.5 hours to cook, but I have an internal meat thermometer to make sure. So it looks like dinner is ready. I think a nice simple salad will help balance this heavy meal. I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.